vegetables, we hope you like our song. Go eat your vegetables and you will grow real strong.
I'm hamburg parsley, my name starts with an H. You'll find me in the soup floating next to the sage. I am ice plant, my name starts with an I. If you have a bellyache, I'll make your stomach fine. I am a jute, my name starts with a J. I'm loaded with fiber, I make rope that doesn't fray. I am kale, my name starts with a K. I have more iron in me than the meat that you crave. I am lettuce, my name starts with an L. I am loaded with potassium, your table's where I dwell. I am maca, my name starts with an M. I'm a root vegetable with a long brown stem. I'm a neem plant, my name starts with an N. I'm a natural pesticide so you can safely spray your garden.
We are the vegetables, we hope you like our song. Go eat your vegetables and you will grow real strong.
I'm an onion, my name starts with an O. I come in different colors, underground is where I grow. I am parsley, my name starts with a P. I'm an herb, spice, and veggie that you'll love to eat. I am quinoa, my name starts with a Q. People use me as a green, but I'm a vegetable too. I am radish, my name starts with an R. I'm a root veggie, mostly eaten when I am raw. I am spinach, my name starts with an S. I am very high in iron, you should eat me, I'm the best. I am turnip, my name starts with a T. I'm a root vegetable, high in vitamin C. I'm a leuco, my name starts with a U. I look like a potato full of calcium too.
We are the vegetables, we hope you like our song. Go eat your vegetables and you will